Patel to come on stage, and to do him the honor, we'd request Dr. S. Devarajan, Senior Vice President, TVS Motor, and Mr. Manoj K. Sundaram, Business Development Head, Zeiss Industrial Metrology.
Good evening, my friends, and congratulations to all change makers. Thank you very much for the recognized to Valgro for change makers agents. Real success does not happen in the blink of the eye. Success comes after so many failures and attempts. When we think outside of the box and says, yes, I can, we will always face more and more obstacles. We cannot avoid them, but we can use them as our advantage and opportunity. We modify a lot of things in our production characteristic, manufacturing methods in order to compete the global demand. Building the product, selling it, and offering the solution, both are the different things. Valgro provide metal finishing solution for sheet metal processing that include all safety standard parameters for deburring and edge rounding after laser cutting and punching. We have crafted unique and sustainable technology solution in India for the first time, and it has proved successful in a variety of the sector throughout the world, including aerospace engineering, communications, satellite communication, defense, automotive, infrastructure, railways, and architectural building fabrications. Our mission is to assist the industries, improve quality parameters, reduce operator fatigues, and boost productivity with achieved consistency. We failed countless times, but we never give up on our objective because we understood that technology was the way of the future. As early adopter, we have a unique position in global market. I am sure that Valgro product will assist the industries in achieving customer desired goal. I am happy to announce that it is a made in India product, and we will work with and encourage the Indian industries to become an Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Proudly make in India. Thank you very much. Thanks, Hari. Thanks, Machine Maker.